Where else will I go if not my shop? And I would like to carry you guys along. By the way, my face is always shining. So you guys, this is the next of this vlog. Will I call it wig extension? It's actually long, so I use it for the edge of the hair, which is looking good. Yeah. So I love rice and goat meat. Let me eat. It is giving 10/10 minus nothing. Okay. Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. You're tuning in for the first time. My name is Chinelo Ezeonye, an Nigerian YouTuber based in Kaduna State. Okay, and yeah, I just turned on the AC. So I'm a mom YouTuber based in Kaduna State. Alright guys, I'm about stepping out of the house right now. We are about stepping out of the house. I and D-Baby say hi. Hi. So we're about stepping out of the house and we would like to carry you guys along. Today I don't have any plans for today basically, but all I can remember now is that all I can think of right now is that I am going to retouch my hair today. I still have other things to do, but have not yet decided on what to do and what not to do. And yeah, that is all of that for now. And yeah, so let's do this, let's go together. Please watch this video to the end. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like, comment, share. Okay, share, and let's be one family. Okay, yeah, this say bye. Hi guys, so we have purses to unbag. We have purses to unbox. So I have other colors of it. So you guys, sorry now I did start class. Okay, for your wedding, for your occasions, for Sunday churches, I have different colors. We also have the matching shoes for it. Also have the matching shoes. Like the design is given top notch. The designs are so fine. I can see this black, this mixed with silver. This is the multicolor, and I have another black which is mixed with gold. Okay guys, so hurry now at the stock class, come and get yours. It has let me show you how it looks inside of it. You can also extend the hand by doing just like this. The hand can be extended like this, both sides, if you want the hand to be extended. Here is it guys, and it also have it comes with this chain in case if you want to carry the chain. Here is a space for the chain. Yeah, it is giving 10/10 minus nothing. Okay, this our new collection is giving 10/10 minus nothing. So I'll see you guys on my next unboxing. Bye. Carrot your bed. So guys, this is the length of the video. This is my outfit. OOT of the day. Hi guys, good morning. This is the end of this vlog. You guys ignore my face. I use sunscreen, so that is why it's shining like this. By the way, my face is always shining. So you guys, this is the end of this vlog. I finally retouched my hair yesterday. I don't know why the hair is looking like this. Like seriously, my hair was breaking a lot. So because of that, I didn't use the regular relaxer that I normally use, which used to make it to like sleep after retouching. So I decided to settle for a smaller relaxer, but people said it's okay, which is ebony relaxer. So that is what I use for this hair, and I don't know why it's looking like this, but still better than when I did not retouch. And I use this what is this, is it, will I call it wig extension? It's actually long, so I use it for the edge of the hair, which is looking good. Yeah, so guys, we're heading to the shop as usual. Me and my mother and the baby who had just finished writing Hawaii. Hi guys. Your hair tie, they fear me. So I told you to wear a cap. I don't know why you always like to tie hair tie. So guys, we are heading to the shop. Where else will I go if not my shop? And I would like to carry you guys along. Hi guys, I'm already at the shop. And I just bought some food. This is jollof rice and goat's meat. Here is jollof rice and goat meat. Let me eat. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye. Hi guys, good evening. This is the evening of this vlog. We are heading home. I and the baby, we are already on our way home, and I would like to officially end this. Say hi. And I would like to officially end this vlog here. Okay, please watch if I watched up to this minute, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like, comment and share my video. Okay, for my returning subscribers, please guys, I appreciate you guys. Okay, keep doing what you know how to do best. Keep supporting, keep doing what you know how to do best. Keep supporting me, and yeah, just guys know that I appreciate you guys. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.